A rather cautious start to the week for global financial markets as the US dollar struggles and US equities continue to hover near all-time highs. However, a lot of this obviously down to the Federal Reserve rate decision from last week, which market participants are still digesting. Obviously, the Fed updated their dot plot, which showed 2 more 25 basis point rate cuts this year. Couple that with the surprise that the Fed are only pricing in 1 25 basis point rate cut in 2026, and this obviously forming a perfect cocktail of uncertainty moving forward for global markets. Now, the one thing obviously that hasn't stopped moving, and that is gold prices, which has shot beyond $3,700 an ounce here at the start of the week, trading around $3,730 at the time of recording this video. Now, with that in mind, obviously the rest of the week does bring some high impact US data with PCE data and PMI data as well. Now, given what we heard from the Fed last week, I expect the US dollar to remain sensitive to data from the US as it comes out. Federal Reserve Chair, obviously, Jerome Powell still speaking towards, data dependency to some degree. And this obviously is likely to keep the dollar on edge around major impact and high economic data releases around the US dollar. So bear that in mind this week as PCE data, which is the Fed's preferred gauge of inflation, is released, as well as the PMI data, which will be released later in the week as well. But with that in mind, trade safe, guys, and I hope to catch you guys soon with another market update. Have a good one.